Hi everybody. So we're going to be talking about how the Fed's decisions can affect our three graphs here. The first one we have is the supply and demand of money. Oh god, that looks terrible. The investment demand and our aggregate supply and aggregate demand graph. Hopefully you can see what's going on here with my labels. So what happens here is that if the Fed decides to raise the money supply, first I need to put in my points. So we're going to see that supply of money line move to the right because it's increasing. And as a result, the nominal interest rate is going to decrease. As the nominal interest rate on the first graph lowers, the nominal interest rate on the second graph will also lower. So we're going to move along that line, and when we lower the nominal interest rate, our point is going to end up right there. Okay, and then as a result of your increased demand for investments, your GDP will go up because remember GDP equals C plus I plus G plus XN. And as the investment will go up, GDP will go up. And in order for your GDP to go up, you increase the demand. So what happened here was that as the Fed raised the money supply, the interest rates lowered, the investments increased, which meant aggregate demand, the price level, and GDP all increased as well. Alright, let's say that instead of raising the money supply, the Fed decides to lower it. And I'm not going to erase all the graphs and redraw them because I'm too lazy. So I'm going to get rid of the arrows here and leave the other lines in, just so we can make a comparison. And after we've done that, we'll see that on our first graph, our supply of money line is going to shift from the left of our original supply of money line. I know that line isn't straight, so it'll lower there. And then the nominal interest rate will increase, which means in our second graph, our nominal interest rate will also increase. And our investments will go down. So basically, everything's inverted. And that's all for this video.